If you're a business owner in Cyprus, you know how frustrating it can be to manage your finances. With accountants using different software, you never get a clear picture of your company's financial health. Connecting your local bank account, categorizing transactions, and dealing with VAT compliance can feel like an endless struggle, but it doesn't have to be this way. That's why we've created Cybooks, the accounting software designed specifically for Cypriot businesses. With Cybooks, you get a comprehensive financial overview of your business. You can track your income, expenses, profits, and much more in real time. Categorizing transactions is now effortless with our intuitive recommendation engine. No more wasting hours on manual data entry. Upload your documents and let Cybooks handle the rest for you. Connect directly to your local bank account for real-time financial updates, allowing you to stay on top of your cash flow, anytime, anywhere. And our Cypriot compliant VAT reporting feature lets you generate accurate reports in minutes, ensuring you're always in compliance. So go ahead and take control of your business finances today. Sign up at cybooks.com.cy.